Hey guys, welcome back. This video is going to be based on cam cover gasket. I had a leak for years and kind of left it for it's not that bad, but then I realised it's only leaking because it's got sealant. So some douchebag decided to put sealant on top of the gasket. So we're going to tackle that today. But most importantly, if you can like and subscribe, because YouTube's been a punk. So it helped me. I'm not trying to grow anything, but it just helps, gives that extra boost to get out and do something in my car. As I said so many times, I hardly ever drive, but I think we need to do everything we can to save its old motors, especially Saabs and what have you. So yeah, enjoy. As I spoke earlier of the valve cover seal gasket, you could see on my one some prick decided to not replace the valve cover but actually use some kind of silicone gasket, and and he's left the original still on there and he just put it on top. Now before I could take it off, there's a few things that need to be removed. Number one is these two connections, they need to be off because that's all linked to here, and I've seen many people who just crack it in the process. So you have to remove all of this out of the way, including the valve cover breather and the one-way valve, and you have to remove the dick, and it'll be good to go. There's again a lot of sealant, and some sealant are coming off. So whichever cowboy did that did a shit poor job. For safekeeping, and now it's time to lift this thing. Unbelievable. This is atrocious. I'll take a picture of this. I'm just shocked. Literally, I'm lost for words. This is no way. He went to a mechanic a couple of years back, well actually about 4 years back, to change the valve seals. Charged me near £300, and to be honest now, I don't think they did that. I just need some time. I feel a bit emotional. I need a tea. I'm going to make a cuppa. Gave it a good clean with some carb clean and a rug, and got all the crap out. Still in shock, the state it was. I mean, look at all of that. Oh, horrendous. This is how it's looking from the top end. So I've got all the nuts and bolts on, and I'm gonna put the other ones on once I got the table clies off. So literally now we're gonna do this. And continue to do this with all the other ones, and we should be done. There's no need to see all these screws. I'm gonna cut here. I'm gonna do it old school. Feel what I'm doing and take it from there. You've seen the sequence. I want to follow. It's very easy to forget all these things. So I'm going to do all of that and put the loom in. Everything's been put back together. There's one thing you should do. Try to spray up the loom. It prevents it from getting corroded. This is Kontakt 61, quite expensive, but it does the job. So I'm going to spray that, so it keeps it corrosion free. Otherwise, it can get heavily corroded. All tight, all sealed up, looking rather glorious, and no more signs of leak. But once I get the engine running, we shall see how it behaves and responds.